Every morning you lace up, your body is quietly rewriting itself. After 40, your heart doesn't just pump blood, it remodels. Cardiologist James O'Keefe found something wild. Moderate morning runs, just 20 to 30 minutes, cut heart disease risk almost in half. But push past 60 miles a week, and that same heart starts scarring itself. The dose makes the medicine. Your joints aren't the enemy either. New cartilage research shows running actually thickens it, feeds it, keeps it young, as long as you're not sprinting on empty knees with zero rest. And here's what nobody tells you. Robert Sapolsky's stress research proves morning runners flush cortisol faster than anyone else. Calmer minds, sharper focus, all before 8 a.m. Dan Buettner studied the world's longest living people. None of them worked out. They just moved daily, outside, on purpose. That's what a morning run really is. So no, running after 40 doesn't break you down. Done right, it rebuilds you from the inside out.